Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be making sauteed spinach with mushrooms. And here's what we use. I have some spinach that I've washed and spun dry. I have some mushrooms, you can use any kind you like. I have some Parmesan cheese. I have a little bit of good for you butter. Some olive oil. I have some crushed garlic, some onions, salt, and pepper. And here's how I do it. In this pan, I'm going to add some olive oil, some butter, just add all of that in, the onions, of course you're going to have to let these cook for a minute or so. Garlic, toss that around for a little bit, and then we're going to add in mushrooms. We're going to cook these for about 4 or 5 minutes and let them cook down. That's cooked down. Now we're going to add in our spinach. And if I didn't tell you, I'm going to add just a little bit of chicken broth. Just a little bit. The one without salt, if you have it. Just a little bit. That's all you need. We're adding some salt. Not much. And some pepper. We're just going to let it cook down. It won't take long at all. See, that took all of about 3 minutes. And I'm going to add in a little bit of, you probably can't even see it, but a little bit of red pepper or red pepper flakes, or not if you don't want to. It depends on how tender you want them, how long you're going to let them cook. But this is about it for me. I roasted some cherry tomatoes to put on the top. I love roasted tomatoes. I can eat those with almost anything. You can eat this by itself. I would. That would be my meal for today. Or you can add something along with it. Some fried chicken or some baked chicken, shall I say. And if you have some leftover greens from the day before or whenever, hey, add it to them. It's only going to add flavor. It tastes pretty good. On the top, I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit for flavor. And there you have it. Spinach and mushroom sauteed. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me. I had fun. I hope you did too. Don't forget to pray. Then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you, pray for them. Pray for us, then pray again. Don't stop praying. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell. That's it, and that's all. Later.